To my former players, coaching staff, and colleagues, this table isn't about rules tonight. It's about relief. At your age, responsibility shows up fast. Bills, decisions, expectations. Some spoken, most not. And when expectations stay unspoken, pressure gets heavier than it needs to be. I want you to hear this clearly. Carrying responsibility does not mean carrying everything alone. You're allowed to feel the weight before you have all the answers. You're allowed to name what's heavy without being judged or rushed. You don't have to perform strength here. This table is not a courtroom. It's not a strategy session. It's not a place where you have to prove you're handling it. It's a place where you're allowed to say, this part feels heavier than I expected, and not immediately be told what to do next. So tonight, I'm making one invitation, and only one. If you want to take it, you can. If not, that's okay too. Here it is. What responsibility has been sitting on your shoulders lately? Not the loud stuff, but the quiet pressure you don't usually talk about. There's no fixing coming. No comparisons. No measuring your load against anyone else's. I'm not listening to correct you. I'm not listening to solve it. I'm listening to understand how it feels to be you right now. If you want to speak, take your time. If you don't, you're still welcome at this table, fully. This is what family is supposed to be. A place where pressure gets lighter because you don't have to carry it all alone. I'm here. I'm listening. And nothing you say here makes you weaker.